Hi everybody, it's Food Pantry Day, and boy do we got some good stuff in this haul. Woohoo! We got whole kernel corn, two of them, two tomato sauces, a mixed fruit and a diced peach. We got a baguette back there, a Boston bib lettuce. You know today's my salad day, everybody, you know that. Cinnamon honey butter. Emma's gonna be happy to see that. We got a big thing of jasmine rice. We got some strawberries. There is some fuzzy ones in there. We'll check it out and see what we think. We got a Snack Pals watermelon. Zucchini noodles. A steakhouse wedge chopped kit. A Hannaford chicken salad snack tray thing. I don't know if I'm going to do that one, though. It was, good on the 9th. So I'm not sure. We'll see. We got 3 tomatoes to go in my salad. Some roast beef. That could go in my salad. And some all-natural turkey breast. Both of those could go in my salad if I wanted to. Strawberry muffins, 4 donuts, a olive oil ciabatta bread, some Kaiser rolls, some more cheese ends. Oh, my macaroni and cheese come out really good, and gotta love it. I've decided that my new favorite topping is French fried onions on top. Oh my goodness, so good. You gotta try it. So if you make a baked macaroni and cheese, or just regular macaroni and cheese, so throw some French fried onions on top. Do that. You'll love it. Got some croissants back there. We got 3 things of red seedless grapes. Me and Emma are happy about that. We love those little tiny crispy ones. We got some broccoli, onions, apples, 2 cuties, 2 cucumbers. There's my salad again. It's just saying today's salad day. Black beans, macaroni and cheese, and ziti. I can make everybody baked ziti, and they are going to be so happy in this house. I'm not a big pasta person, so I really don't. Dried pitted plums. And then this is my happy box today. This stuff I got from the health food store, Better Living Center in Farmington. Oh, it's my favorite place to go. We got 2 good-sized bags of sunflower seeds. Oh, yeah. And then these things, honey roasted sesame sticks. Oh, my goodness, yum, yum, yum. And curry. If you don't know about curry, you need to know about curry, especially stick some in your chicken pot pie. You will never go back to having chicken pot pie without it. Oh, yum. And some Vietnamese cinnamon. I don't know if you've ever smelled Vietnamese cinnamon, but oh my goodness, yum. It smells like those little red hot candies. Oh, it's so glorious. And the last thing is their Chinese 5-spice. I love to get the Chinese 5-spice from there because it is just so much more flavorful. It is so awesome. Better Living Center Health Food Store, Farmington, Maine. Oh, it's a beautiful, wonderful place. And it smells so good. I can remember when I was young, we'd walk in there because it was really cheap to get spices there. They're a little more expensive now, but they're still like the best spices. So we used to go in there, and us kids would be allowed to get one of their soda things there, and we'd always usually choose black cherry because black cherry rules. So that's what we would get. And I can remember it'd been a long time since I've been in there when I got older, and when the new people took over. They have new people that run it now, and I can remember walking in there, and I was afraid they were going to change it, and I walked in there, and the smell of my childhood memories still is in that store. You just walk in there, the store smells beautiful with all the fresh spices and grains and everything. Oh, they just got everything. Love that place. So yeah, that's my happy box today, and I'm going to at some point eat some sesame seeds and sesame sticks and grapes, and I'll have my salad, and it's just going to be a wonderful, wonderful, healthy little eating day. Yep. So there, that's my food pantry haul for today, and I hope you all enjoyed it. I hope you have a wonderful, super fantastic day. I hope you have a Better Living Center or a health food store near you that you can check out, that when you walk in, it just smells good. I wish I had smell-o-vision, because I'd send you guys all this smell, because it is just an amazing, wonderful, wonderful smelling place. So, we'll see you on the next video. Like, subscribe, share, and we'll see you soon.